guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
There's a petition there now. They came to our aid. They have been with us several occasions. Last 2 weeks here, if I don't know, I cannot be specific. This same Emmanuel Agbogun with his gang members, with one what they call him Edokpolo Obodo, popularly known as Obodo. They invaded the palace of the Elogi of Mama. I was here celebrating the birth of my newborn baby. My wife gave birth 2 weeks ago. I was here with my friends and my loved ones and my brothers. They came here to invade us at about 8:45 p.m. in the evening. If you look around now, they set one car ablaze, the car of one of my cousin brother. They destroyed my car here, parked in front of our palace. And in the middle of the night, around at 2 a.m., one DPO to Longford police station that has been compromised by Inspector Terry Agbogun and Obofodo. He's been compromised. He came here to take away my car because he doesn't want us to see any trace. I want every security agencies to come to our aid. As I speak to you now, my car is still with the DPO. The Elogi of Awoma, who is my dad, has gone to meet the DPO. Why did you come to remove my car in front of my palace? The DPO said he's not releasing the car until Elogi comes with his son. They have arranged with the DPO that whenever he sees me, he should arrest me. I don't know a reason why I'll be celebrating the birth of my baby in my father's house. The DPO will come with Obodo and Emmanuel Agbogun will come and invade us. They shot all sorts of sophisticated weapons that night. A lot of atrocity, a lot of damages in our palace. We want every security agency to please come to our aid. There is a petition already. Yes, I wrote a petition to AIG. I copied for mechanized brigade. I copied Commissioner of Police. I copied DSS to interrupt the peace. We were enjoying peace in the home moment. When a non-campaign was the Okairele of a woman,
Una good morning, my country people. Make una share this video, make it go viral. Mona go call Agbogun come. Agbogun, I see and say now because say you no get work where you dey work. Now it cause hungry for your body. You don't see this Osaboyen. This Osaboyen, you now so you write petition against Osaboyen. The truth can't come out. Won't encourage Abuja. Person where they do a papa, where they do a pikin naming ceremony now. You carry police, may you go to arrest them. That community not be your papa community, not be your papa village. Not be the community people cry, come out for us now. Since what they happen. Or person go buy land for their place. Person buy land for their place, they not give the person land. Not be there. You know say, wait Baba say me they stop, they not stop am. All of them. Iyan you ta popa. Iyan you ta popa. Wait Baba say me they stop, they not stop am. They go they take head, their head they carry wait they know. I don't want to measure many things. Agbogun, I see and say you don't they use police for Benin till they arrest these people. As far to Saboyen, when I ask question, go to Saboyen village. Saboyen bid ask for Amagba. The time we village never develop. When the village don't develop, now it be your carry of the village way for come. I don't ask question. People when they follow and buy land. Since when I do my first video, 63 days, people will follow and buy land. They don't come and say, they say when I carry Osaboyen come out, what did they happen? They say they never see person like Osaboyen the way they behave, way they do, they sell on for buy thing. They say they never see chairman like Osaboye wey dey behave like person. He go school, no be chairman wey they see for hotel, where they carry women, they call their papa land, the community land, they give women, they do kwekos. They say they never see Osaboye wey go dey beer parlor, or they never see Osaboye wey go dey throw away community money, they go up, go dey throw away and they go up. They say they never see am for all those type of thing. If this Osaboye na person wey dey do bad, this one wey wear white so, if na person wey dey do bad, as they bring the matter for me, na me go call Ola Koko so no leave am. But I don't ask question, because when I go ask question, now because this Osaboye can't talk for that masses platform, I see the way they talk. He dey swear. We don't say na bad people, now they swear pass. But they say element of truth they dey for matter. When I see this Osaboye, so petition now they write against the village where your papa not come, where your mama not come, because of you know what thing they do. You know what thing they do. They find quick money. I tell you that day, you be Urobo man, Malo Agbogun. Ovia River, he dey for there. Ogbese, he dey for there. Enikao River, he dey for there. Where they call the other one? Gele River, he dey for there. Olugbo River, dey for there. For you can call the right of petition, where not the work. Now where you see day, now you see day. Urobuma, you sabi fish. That's why I see some people where not sabi fish now. They go open fish pond for house. They go they train fish. You where sabi fish. Tell us about you may give you money, may take buy boat, may you enter a river, may you go to bring fish for us, may you forget work. Now because you not get work, Mala Agbogun. Now this one I do for your body. You don't carry this matter put for social media, carry put for petition. You want carry and come give Ola Koko make the sort Osaboye now. You want to come for Ola Koko make the sort now. I never come for this matter. They say pikin when he get sense, he go use the sense. We see matter. We person matter can't talk the real truth. He go use the sense. If you not can use the sense, pikin wey get sense, you not can use the sense. He go buy trouble for Atiti hand. When we don't start the trouble, we can't see the truth of the matter. That's why they do it. This Mala Agbogun, I don't know and say, na traitor. Na traitor for the society. Mala Agbogun no dey bring anything on social media and social land. Now they bring, now they write petition against. Abi you want to be Okarele? If you want to be Okarele, go digi. Go overthrow the for that side. They never get Okarele. Or the Gwatwe never get Okarele. Udwengi never get Okarele. If you don't go there now, you go before rooms so there. Under 1 month, you'll tell you be Okarele. No sell and costly. Other side, you don't sell and costly 200,000. Sell them for people. People go buy. They go start to develop. Now where we dey now, we not dey wait for NEPA again. We not dey wait for NEPA again. Even like you go pay us for on one, as far as say you buy solar lights. If you buy solar lights, you buy solar light for your house. You don't be your NEPA of your own. Solar light we go carry deep freezer. We go carry fan. We go carry everything. If you buy solar light, we not dey wait for NEPA again. So if you feel gather money, go before rooms for Udwengi, Malo Agbogun, as they talk now. In next 3 years, you'll be Okarele of that village. If you don't know why they tell you, you'll be Okarele. I don't tell you. I just send message to you with Ola Koko. This was Osaboye. I don't ask question. This was Osaboye. You with a don't fair play. You don't fair go ask some money. Now because say no, they give you money again. Money where they sell for land for a papa village. Now to help the community people, not to help Urobo. Will you will Urobo? You say matter not go let you rest. You dey give her to Olakoko make the sultan. You dey give her to Olakoko. You don't carry go stay CID. You carry go Abuja. Person when you carry go Abuja the day when they want judge the case for court. Person when you carry at the testigo. Want go testify against Osaboyen. His senior brother enter play for Benin. He can't talk for a court saying a lie. You dey talk. They can't leave this Osaboyen and make come house. He come house, you say you know let him rest. That day they say they arrest you, they arrest you, they arrest you. More listen to what Agbogun want talk. More listen. Whether in the way they shoot a cave.
Truth, fairness, and equity. You agree with me that they overthrow people in communities. 99, if you book Ayola very well, 99 died in Obagi community sometime last year when they went to invade the community. They were shooting AK-47 like.
Obagi with a magba. Now they shoot AK-47. What he call concern Osaboyen village. When I call the draw Saboyen, when you tell Lakoko the draw Saboyen, they go for streets. But he call concern Saboyen for side. That be the question when one call the Asuna. Osaboyen village, the cry come me tonight. The cry come me tonight. Say Osaboyen said their land. Mona give me the proof. Mona give me the proof. When I for face Osaboyen. If Osaboyen person wey follow Saboyen buy land, any of the cry come me to na so Saboyen not give the land for a papa community. Mona send me the video or the person number when I ask a question. E no concern Obagi Amagba with the village where Saboyen for call no concern am. I don't see why Olakoko with it. This man, this Urobo man. Work there for a Benin, you don't want work, they find free money for community, they pass all community for Saple Road. For Saple Road, they pass all community, they go. We want to find money, we want a job, we work for Benin. They know they feed the buy llama again, they know they feed the buy fowl again, now fish. That be the cheapest meat now where they feed the buy for Benin. Some people go open fish pond before they go train their own way go grow. When you go carry boat, enter a river. You be Roboma will go they bring fish for us. You say na land, money you want to shop. Since when they fight this land, they fight and fight. You carry Abraham Agbakon, meet us. You carry Abraham Agbakon. You can't prove Abraham Agba for us. We can't see and say na truth. Everything we they talk for Abraham Agba body, we can't see and say na truth. Or Bagina, the fight we dey for Bagina. With Amagba, they don't arrest Amagba, they don't arrest Abraham Agba, they don't arrest Okagele or for Bagi. As they don't arrest them, you can't tell the war say that they should go AK-47. As they don't arrest them now, wait till call Saboyen for inside this matter now. We'll listen to you.
It's a day gone. So what I am crying out for this very morning. The governor of Edo State, if you want to know those three criminals, as you have arrested the side of Amabali, you have arrested the side of Obagi, tell them to provide their CSO, particularly that beggar.
The governor of Edo State, he don't arrest Abraham Agba. He don't arrest Obagi Okagele. Where will be beggar where you say me they go bring now? Because Igbovo Ogbo Ewa Asungu. Not be the chairman where community they happen. In fact, happen for community. They arrest the chairman. They arrest the chairman. Now the chairman will confess for that side. Wait till how you call the you follow the go the mission where you call the confess say see person where they go arrest we at Malo Agbogun. When you follow the go the mission, you dey there where they fight. Where you say if you want they want to know the criminal. May they go arrest Bege. You follow the day Malo Agbogun. Since governor of Edo State don't arrest Abraham Agba, he don't arrest Obagi or Kagele. Which one you call the third governor? Say governor Bege. You there for the mission. You know they as a criminal. You follow the thief. of una wey you dey for Benin, all the youth, some of this youth, una no want to take work. What would they ask with the farm? River, you be robo man. River around Benin, river full everywhere for Benin. If they not give you chance for Ologbo River, may take key fish, may take buy fish, may take the free fish for us. Go Gele River, nobody don't dey there as a fisherman. No one of my river no be, no ya be mugima. I can't win they not get work now until they misbehave. When until they pull out for person here. Now governor of Edo State, what you say me can do? He don't arrest Ebo Amagba. We quarrel dey for a community with Obage. He don't arrest Obage this person or Kagele. You follow the God the mission where you more live and more confess, more listen to a confession.
Particularly that baby, what they have been doing is all Ubiasa, Yanomo, Umama, name it. What they have been doing there, they are using AK to scare away people. People live there, carry out your preliminary findings. You will see that what we are saying is nothing but the truth. In the quest of me fighting for these two young men that were shot in Obagi Nebusa community, I have been arrested, rearrested, alleged of murder, alleged of arson, as if we live in a lawless state. But by the grace of God, because some of us stand for truth, fairness, and equity, you agree with me that truth will continue to strive.
Emmanuel S. Agbogun, may I talk to you today? Emmanuel S. Agbogun, all the fights, all the wahala, when they happen for all communities, most especially Saple Road, all the wahala, when they happen for those communities, now you the cause them. Now you be the problem when those community get. Community.
Mala Agbogun, they don't know say na you dey cause fight for the community now. You go here, you go cause fight. You crash them, you go here crash fight. What is make you dey do all this one? Now so the time of Ologbo matter, you see involved for that Ologbo matter, for that Saple Road. Because you Urobo wajo wey you follow you come, pikin wey they come born for Benin, wey your papa na Urobo. Now to destroy wey people don't know. I don't see a right from time, truth not there for your mouth. Now plenty like that too, where they do activities. Abat, Obaze, no truth for your mouth. You, no truth for your mouth. That pastor where they chop bitter leaf and granite, no appoest to whether appoest to the color. All of una they find rabbit, picking one and one carry for who. All of them, the community people now don't know. The whole community, that community don't know now. Say that you the right petition, you the backbite them. Because if you go the community, they not cut land for you. They not give you money, but they go they pepper you. This man now, Osaboye, what you call concern and concern Olakoko concern you. The community, me don't go ask question. People will follow and buy land for their community. They call me when they say I bring this man picture come out. So the one woman call me from Nigeria. He say Pikin I buy the land. 300 by 300. He say a Pikin over put sand. A Pikin dey for prison and they talk when he buy the land after 1 month he enter prison. Since more than 4 years now. He say na him dey do farm for that place. He say na him dey do farm. He say he don't have a Pikin. He can cut the one wey dey for jail. He can tell and say me he go cut 100 by 100 for his side. Me go be as put. He say this was Abonye where they want lay foundation. Where they supposed to pay foundation money. He say as far as the person will get the land, they arrest him. He say not collect the money. Say me they only cook for the elders. If not so Kage, they don't know where that person dey for prison. My village, person dey for sick bed. He dey for sick bed. They go sell the land. And the person they cry for Europe, me they sell the land, me they bring money for them, me they treat itself. I nobody want to talk. Mona leave me. One will talk if they do this matter. The woman even call me, he explained to me. A pikin for Europe wey dey be for the other land, don build and finish now. They say even from now they go pack, the woman say go pack, go there make for the do farm for the rest. If he wake in the morning, he go dey clear around the farm. He go dey pray for a pikin anywhere he dey for Jamaica, we come out, make come be the house. Wetin pikin be wan put for them, if we come put am. If na bad person, wey know say he don dey for prison. As you say that they use AK-47, they drive people. If you don't take AK-47, they drive that woman come up for there, sell her. But the woman say he land there for along the road. Say he there along the road. So not be the one where you waka go inside. He say if na bad person for those head the land. He say wait pikin, the other second pikin one come be as put go tell her say the one we dey for jail, the junior one come be 4 rooms for this land. Me for the ticker, me you know they from Benin they come again, come they do farm for year. He say no problem. See the ones they don't zinc na plaster that they do now we in packet and me from there they do farm for the rest land. Even the chairman tell us say if you need land, free land we want to do farm for now, join that one. He go cut for and make they do farm. He consider this pikin who do he rich. Not be so person they better rich. Not be so person they better rich. You don't carry this Osabonye go court for Abuja, you don't feel winner. Now you they bring a social media, make they call the spoil reputation, make they call the spoil the name. If I not go ask question now, the way this man take talk for that platform or Sunday, me come go they ask question. You know what you don't know? Free WhatsApp now free nowadays. They know they collect money. You feel ask questions, you want to ask question. I can't go ask question. I can't say this man a Genoma Sabonye. Ola Koko. This man will bring this matter for you. Not be everybody that they destroy. He get people when he good. Jealousy, now they worry Mala Agbogun. You see, the community people now waiting for that road. They talk and say, now they cause crisis waiting for that road. Ologbo na he cause am. Nah, na see the cause am. Fight happen for Obage with Amagba. Governor of Edo State go arrest Eba Magbana, arrest Okaigile, the other one. Now you come they confess, say, may they go arrest Bege, may they go arrest this one, may they go arrest this one. You follow the day for there. You follow the day for there. You see the AK-47 for their hand. May they go arrest Bege. You want pull life for that one head now. May they see go arrest her. Whether a person will they do bad, I don't know. Whether a person will they do good, I don't know. But this one, where you with Ola Koko, they insult every day now. For Ola Koko platform. We will not ask question. Me don't ask question. If they do bad, I be say I will call him. I not call him since yesterday. I will try my call him today if I dey go work. If I dey come out, they go work now. What they be done after 11? When I call him, if they do bad before, make come out for it. Because the disgrace, we go come meet them for front. We children go come see. We will not let our children. We will treat them well. Make them dey for better post tomorrow. Because some of this disgrace, we fathers, mothers, they draw for ground. Their children will come meet them for front. Not be waiting good. Not be waiting good. That's why we dey talk, make the change. You not see Sonina, producer Agama. People quick go put here for here, say, the single full level where you carry so we don't reach social media. So quick give on the single. Quick give on because the disgrace will go follow you for the whole world. Now we adjust. 3 days, he adjust the system. He give you leg a sing. You know see? Because if social media don't start, you as a man, you dey for his house. You no fit eat, you no fit do anything. We see different video where you go call the fly meet you. You know say social media get power. But in this case, Osabonye case, make una leave her alone. I don't go ask question. I never call this man. Only the voice when I don't hear, I see and say when he talk for Dada Master's platform. I see the truth when he talk for there. The question when me see they ask Malo Agbogun, this man judge and that day say Malo Agbogun write petition for a head where they take carry and go Abuja. When they carry and reach Abuja the day of court, Malo Agbogun bring testigo. He testigo where Malo Agbogun they bring. His senior brother enter plane from Benin come Abuja, come tell they say na lie. Malo Agbogun dey talk. Malo Agbogun no come explain that to us today. Our court and come out if I come for work today, when I come plan tomorrow. I see they want Malo Agbogun may come tell us whether na lie this Osaboye talk o, whether na truth. If na truth, leave this man alone for waste. No sell am for presenter again. I remember years ago when you bring matter for me. Malo Agbogun, you bring some land matter for me. I tell you, say, I ask you question, you sure? Give me these people number, this or Kaigeli, want to talk to them. Want to know whether not truth this thing is big. Since that day you run. When I call you say you did for jail, I can't call you. I want beg people, make they help, make they stand for you. You they do what you come on, they say the Nigeria prison you dey. I don't know the day where people dey for prison for Oko start to carry phone enter inside. I can't rest. Your wife won't cry, come out, can't do video. We do video to the district governor, make they release you. They release you now. You don't reach house now. The same land problem where carry you go jail. Not be you be Okagele, you know from the village, any village of that area. The same land problem. Now you see start again. If you don't get job, Malo Agbogun, with 500,000. Baba o.
Prophet,
What Baba? What?
Udoya,
Or yes, happy holiday.
sent to you, Baba, the arena.
Domo.
Papa,
Domo.
you are there,
Uwese. Uwese Baba. You know. Arwa obege. What are you?
On was soon in Emmanuel Agbogun. Material there on to hand from beginning. You do understand it all you need to soon every day. My see.
Abi?
You not do me video ba. You not do me video ba. No car fi no be. No car fi beg you one no wa.
Send that go.
You didn't yagwale ba. You didn't mutane prophet. You might delete yagwale ba. On off be no wa. Yam egwe kabo. Then we do arega. We tamame we arega. You know.
When that team, when we video, that's why we video.
And go video then all round up when I go like it then we are like kele me do o ma no regari agbe fun papa then we be fa no ro orun ya set it from different places
different community
and then you ba eyan tari lo bi ama mini yan ni e ma tan ya ta udere amata mori awo ori tori awo oweti to le ogime o ma me ma ke ke no wani kere no do nye do o wani do nye do me ma ke be ti ma pa me kwa lo to eto ni e ma ne ate akọ bibido me ma gwa ni awo to eto ni ya aro azin aweni ibe data tema ya hin wo agbo we ni ya tema ya hin soko we ni ya fefefe tema ya hin but na Agbogun no na do so kwesage okugbe okwimuyewo awawai awanawa na dete o gbe ade to the prison o carry no ri bani wari bani ofu egbere se udere no ko ya hewe o do se unda okwe Emmanuel enemy to egwa ya support dike ya fefe le gane Emmanuel enemy to egwa Agbogun to egani support no yo hani Emmanuel support him for that good reason but the kaka boss all over guy na na egbo one
you know what takpa baba Nambolo Agbogun ya regan. Ke daddy. E pisi na re supply road. Yes or no?
Pisi wa ro kakabo.
Imala Agbogun ya re na ni ya. Okugu na we like supply road ni. Okugu na we like supply road.
Like supply road. Huh? Of you to a town who are solo bane walking. Don't you make it here? We no one we bigger. We no more bigger. You are not at you within the job at Jack. When I can't be near evidence like I never found the police near Mugana. No one to tie on the making out him on the other side. We are all fit a video or fit a want to me better. He do or the I will know or the I will.
Wait me, Warriga. Una when we video and I will boy now. Echo man one. Eddie Hamaway.
Utama, we call him man one. You may not hear when I allow or Regane.
What a video ni a video ya ni wuri gbere because e call me mam your mem we body e wo mo ja no
me no gbani ti we mi awe na you know na prophet my we the video na to me after 2 days na gbe with it he say we could do I don't say we plus say we kwe de kwe do kwa ka say or say we plus o ma die no ori agba no ori awo no no Agbogun ori awari awo no ewa no
e video na fi no ge egwa send the egwu when they pe your own Where's it? Okay, where's it? You call it Dadamassis. You call it Dadamassis.
For the work now.
Ola Coco, Sisse. You call it Dadamassis. Dadamassis. Irela video. Buena, Malagogun na rega kereda di ati e pisi gari supply road ni.
Tamio. How many would understand? Emmanuel Agbogun hima or hima. Activities or mama equal with bypass. We are with Malago. We are with Malago with the me personally give me like I supporting you. That should that we don't have any. The problem is in my right book when the Medina when the current sponsor in my right book. Do you know in my right book is now also using my own senior brother against me?
Amalage.
Okay, when the video then I will just tell me when you post it. He's using my own senior brother now against me because he exposed it. The truth is that in my right book is very good in creative division. Una disagree with him or make an also be Agbogun atama we make 47 or below or make just imagine at two tell me Agbogun now when no man they can very soon all will make 47 below
well do ta well do ta me ko e wo sabonye me egwegu ina because o sabonye ma okpa en vale matana e un debo e na wa kin iwe no ya gbe owi oboro bo renga kere dade supply road no wa ma mi owu masu no wo e pa magba ma je ga kere dade
only the problem in my right bogun or gay e bo amagba rovio ene e pa ma tudo e ke mo rovio dete we ni respect ni ma we me ba unde e bo amagba ni egugwan ima wo so angbe bo amagba biko mege e bo amagba magie if you amagba ro ma laja we live video we no Emmanuel Agbogun is the one creating disunity problem in bypass because a crisis in manaro migolo he enjoy it 2018 Emmanuel Agbogun like bypass. Before 2018, what's a man I use when you have audio committee with bypass in AK-47? What is it with my Agbogun like bypassing it? Yata won on AK-47, you got ever win a mue.
Eltan me no ibani, eltan me no, nyereva ni na winya ya ogun agbe. Ogun la sun we de woruwa. We no do mu da gbe yuti Maria. O kamwe e sabonye ye gan. Imasuni Saboye Saboye a proof no Saboye that one this Sunday platform when on away no do me eko Malago Marido Gwan or when Matego Saboye or Mugola Coconia or when la Coco Gamoni area. It may not tell them what Saboye.
Because him and us one because when no say when he beje, he no say me man is one tell me amagba because he any amagba EDDG no in Latin way. Obage ono say Obage we a press release white TV amagba na we the two chairman or we press release no na arrest him.
Governor arrest him fa. Ona arrest him fa fiyan Spania.
Amagba ropa my ladiana do out here bonivi Obage ono say mechi we ladiana arubia amagba or ni we TV down ono say me na but enia do una it will not look like amagba is the one instigating those people on media to be speaking about individual and based on a amagba I know to higher stage we will not go solo honestly but in my right book I don't get problem with anybody whether they drag but in my right book we must lead bypass it must
me na kama when I agbe me na kama no ya so agbe e kia me win na kina
I'm up here with bypass umake o want to do mwe boni dia yimabo umake bypass go and face your community wherever they said you come from so say you are better so say you are from Agbogun so say you are from Wode I don't give a fuck
Mudiane
all we get take your luggages and baggages and
Mudiane
take your step out of bypass
Dada Masis Masoni we here or tell me we don't know where here you know say me na person we not go school where they focus on my Edo state you know where Malo Agbogun dey for J I can't see say that bypass Sapler road can't cool no fight nothing
yes now
when me see say Malo Agbogun come now they don't arrest Ebo Amagba they don't arrest this one because now this boy this one I don't know he go they bring Côte d'Ivoire people he go come they use them till they set these people up one I don't know now very dangerous boy Malo Agbogun so when the question when I want to ask you I don't ask you now I want to come beg them this morning give me the leave my brother Osabonye because I don't ask question as far as the woman when he sell land for we picking day for J for Italy 300 by 300 the woman see they do farm for there if junior picking can't go be 4 rooms for the land now
they get any problem with the land
they don't get problem as I ask question this is now so chairman when no say that picking days for J he go sell that land
okay
so now I come beg them this morning make them leave this man alone now 2 videos I don't do now first video when I do many people come even go to America they call me say this man he not be like this they never see him for this kind of thing say why no he sort now I say no I don't want you sort
the problem in my life the problem in my life both with a guy now if Malabogu had problem with this guy when Malabogu was supporting there is one village called Agbogun no man then they now turn that community to Ubiaza and Agbogun we are talking about now in Owinya Robaiti like Ikyogboginya or Robaiti so they now say that there is no community like Agbogun or Ubiaza then a lucky in Malabogu ona mu lucky toti mo bo ya what you not joking at doing whether something like that and then I belong beani doing in a court we week now the next week enya Agbogun we Agbogun the first person that posted that picture was Emmanuel Agbogun. It was not up to 1 hour. That is it. That left for the law. For law to checkmate that. How manage somebody that is not up to 30 minutes?
Facebook.
Okay. If when Omawa is not up to 30 minutes, Emmanuel Agbogun kawa post there. Then the family okay a boy ni Agbewani Iyanado ya seek a judge like Iyanado like the police to arrest people that is doing it. Osabonyena second-handedly arrested 4 people to the commissioner of police of Edo State that year. I don't want to make sure the commissioner need that year. A commissioner personally rewarded Osabonye for that job well done for apprehending these hoodlums. But do you know Emmanuel Agbogun stood with Emmanuel Lucky Toad to say Lucky Toad is innocent? When Lucky Toad and those words were there said, my money when we be level now, but level not in my Agboa. The voice note, the voice recording, not voice recording, the video, in your to be recorded, Emmanuel Agbogun say no problem. Imagine. Emmanuel Agbogun carry a bag, he turned them against themselves. He carry a woman, Emmanuel Agbogun tell us on social media, say, na smallest sad be a okagele of a woman community. Now he tell us, say, now, the vice chairman. How can a chief be a vice chairman? How can a serving police officer be a chairman in the community? Is that legal? Okay, Emmanuel Agbogun, when you know it, Tabima, your way video ni. It's creating problem between brothers and brothers. They know you all in the name of what he want to benefit. I don't have any issue with him. I don't have any problem with him. All we want from bypass. If you look so far now, a community and the Emmanuel Agbogun ya involved. When Emmanuel Agbogun share with ya, no senior will senior. If they have issue with their brother, they can settle it.
Okay, who imagine? Who imagine now? Issues community. Issues community no baro denina. All of them are crying for Emmanuel Agbogun to leave their people alone.
They are crying for Emmanuel Agbogun to stay away from bypass.
Ogun fi agbe Emmanuel Agbogun na e gan fi ogun yi.
He wanted to do these things in Yekogba. Even Yekogba, only again, no more ye pa ebo amagbaun. TV Yekogba, tia ube owe gbe temi Yekogba. Emi airport road. Ube owe gbe gwakan because anywhere yamani day.
Oh, hey, little come on was. Ebo amagbana, ebo na ka mo mata egumene.
Okay.
Ogi mo mata egume, ina we the nobe bo amagbame ni tie ni nota.
Okay.
Ben me giti boy na se, ben giti boy na se, o magi mo fun me. Ti e ma pala do ti me dokpa wo regani do we video yo. I'll take him 2 days ke we video ni. Ina we boy na iko e ma nwa, iya bunoro e do video activists ni me we they are evil. Okpare UK ni a. Okpare bitalive and granite.
Imagine I think a collect don't buy you activists. What's in the manipulation when they collect don't buy a culture activists? What's in the culture? Osakuno Hodi activists, what's Osakuno Hodi and do you know how Emmanuel Agbogun and Osakuno become friends? When you are young,
I thought it would be. I'll arbitrate on him again. I'll arbitrate on him again. Beg a video.
Thank you. He settle down. Who is Emmanuel? Again, Osakuno Hodi and vice chairman. Do you know Emmanuel Agbogun kick against that guy? Almost a committee before you can become a sinner. Emmanuel Agbogun did that. Now the bypass community, they say they don't need your service, they don't need you again. Can't you just be and face your business? More they will look at it.
Okay, me I yo Sabonye la wo. Gwaligo de no ya debate no ya la Zologbo no ya gbe mugima. Sise ogwa akwe weze. Sise Emmanuel gwa akwe iye ki fish pond. Iye ki eyowa. Wo wi obo we ki
your communities in bypass and say Emmanuel Agbogun leave us alone. Okay, David, why are you forcing yourself on them? They say they don't need you, they don't need your service, they don't welcome you any longer. Why can't you face another community or face your business?
Ego sasiyo bariwa, de big whatever. Oh, se va bona betu.
Why do you have so much interest in community in bypass? Because yet to be away, Agahio to we Binia Muchi Road, 100,000 for instance. Agahio with Lagos Road, 100,000. Ogasi bypass, Umana $1 million Jevano. Ye bypass, who a man I don't with bypass, where more we do. Because bypass is the face of the new GRA. It's the face of the new. We are asking to for any place for as far Benin is concerned. Full Benin City, the 192 ward, the 18 local government that make a dose. I'm not asking to any place with 1 million or Sesaple Road in the bypass in there. You want me like 3 million. Because Otto is appreciating them. Big more for why money. So in my right, or get Texas Saplero, you only get your penny, or when you get back in my life, you must leave us in low. We don't need your service. Go away with your activity. Your first estate, Obaseki, who say Yagwak Obaseki, a Buhari Nami, where you are a federal state, leave communities alone in bypass. That is our cry. We are not interested with your activity. We are not interested who fall a victim for you. I don't give a damn. You stay off our. Stay off my pass.
Otani only know where Uwesi. Oh man, I'm see where you. Okay. Malo Agbogun la rewa. Ya de gbe pe video nu ga pe kin ya de gbe pe enu e. Ya de gbe no water.
Because at the set
You overthrow people in communities. 99, if you book, I remember very well. 99 died in unpacking Nekpai Koro community sometime last year. When they
Malo Agbogun, I know you as a traitor. I know say that you carry the matter called the Guivola Coco now. The whole community waiting for Saplero, not the only community, only one community. Right from the time we look start, now you start this rubbish way they do. You with a Kotisugbo. Kotisugbo don't come out here for inside now. You say bypass matter no go. This Saplero don't let you rest their matter. If give me the proof now, waiting make the fight. If I'm about the fight with Obagi, they drag land. They don't arrest 2 of them now. Now you say me they go arrest Beggar, say they use AK-47. You see the AK-47 for Beggar hand. The same way you pull out for Saboye head, wait take go Abuja, you want pull out for Beggar head. If person your day now we say buy land from Saboye not get land. Give me the person. I go make call Saboye. See person can repeat your matter to me. Say buy land for your hand. You know you fall on the drag the land. I go get days. We go take it for the land for her. It not day like that. I don't ask question. Whether they fight for the rest community, they not fight this Osaboye matter. Where you with Olakoko the insults. Because now you bring the matter for Olakoko the insult. They say we go all fight. Okay, no mugbe no ka mwezo. Because this fight when they come now, me don't know the truth. I don't ask question. You know, see as Ulege matter they happen yesterday. Many people call Ulege, many people call producer. Now so me go ask question. I never get this man Osaboye for line. I never see get him for line. But today they give me a number. They give me a number, I no go lie. But I never get chance to call her. I don't feel the waka they go for road of work. I'll go to call man. Or I dey for work, I go to call man 5 minutes. I just put until Saturday. Before I call her. If you go around to bring and come like my live video, I'll bring and come. I'll bring and come, make can talk. Me not those make can talk the word. His feelings to the world. Because I see and say he come that massive platform that day, he can't talk as everything be. Man, where go they talk? He go they swear. Say anywhere the highest of Juju day for Benin, make the cannon and going go swear. He didn't get evil mind to spoil the Papa land. And one word where this man can't talk that day, Saboye when he touch me, he talking for that video say, wait he go take and your carry OCC take by following man. Because of waiting, when he talk that word now motivate me. I can't cut and come out. Now go make me go to ask question about Osaboye. Whether a person will want to call you up by talk for live video, they defend himself, or whether not so it be. Now make me go ask question about Osaboye. When I ask question, I can't see this boy waiting for this side so. Where I be like a tutu face so. Where they call her. Malo Agbogun, I can't see. the way we wan use me take dey cause Ibamagba, take dey destroy am, and the rest. Na so e dey use Olakoko take dey destroy this man, take dey spoil him name. Me wey don ask question, I no go gree for any of them make dey spoil him name. If person dey as I dey talk am so, wey so Saboye chop him money, una let me know. This Saboye, person when he buy people for a community, this Saboye take in hand, arrest them with police, carry they go court. When they go court, we can't say we think say na Benin people, now they do evil wey dey happen for Benin. We can't say some of these boys wey Okayele go they bring, all those Okayele wey they go they bring, they go they invite them from various country wey not be Nigeria. When they come carry these 4 boys wey Saboye arrest, carry go police station, they come see and say 3 boys for inside na Benin Republic, Cotonou people. When they come, they take some of our people go collect them, come they take the 5 people for land, come they take destroy people for land. And those boys now some of those boys now they use we go they buy people for house. This Benin Republic people, with this man arrest them, they can't carry the case go court. After with this man don't arrest them, this Malagu go pull out for this man, go write petition, they carry this man go court. For Abuja, this man, where they call Agbogun, his senior brother, where you want to go do testigo, person where you want to go do testigo, his senior brother can't fly from Benin to Abuja now. He can't go talk the truth for court against this man. That one not reach. Malo Agbogun see they carry matter, they give Olakoko make they sort am because they find money for this man hands. Now money that Benin people, now money that they find for this man hand, oh, this man not give them. Now the Olakoko with that they saw this man. Oh, I know them. I don't know this as our president waiting for Europe. I know say that money Olakoko they find for this man hand, and that this man will get that money. Olakoko, as you want to sort am, I don't send message for that day. You say no, leave this man. If this man do bad now me go call you, say deal with them well. When they chook out for Nyash that day, when the matter come out, I call you say, now good work you they do. Now good work you they do. I know they deny what I do. If now waiting not good, I know call you say, I know talk put. When people come they sort way they talk for the people who chook me out for Nyash that day, when they chook out for Nyash, I call you, I say, write down. Any swear where they swear now their head they take carry on. But this one, now waiting good for the community, now they fight for. So this man, don't go ask question, Olakoko, leave this man alone. If anybody they will bring this man matter for you, give me the video when I call this man, when I call the man, when I settle them, make them go settle the differences. We don't need to disgrace anybody again. Now, you see where our village will come that day, they say, they settle and they give the person the land. That person not buy, they not buy person for my papa village. They settle one. They know they sell land for 2 people for there. If person they will bring Saboye matter for you now, Olakoko, give me the person. When I ask the person question, if you not dey, if you come out again, make people not say Atiti not get friend. Make people not say Atiti not get friend. Make the people not say Atiti not get friend though. If I owe you for 1 week, I believe say you go leave this man. Olakoko, if I owe you for 1 week, I never owe you now. If I owe you for 1 week, I believe say you go leave this man. Because I call on Gyogo ye kamweguye. Awa ya on kano mawo. Barok mama go with social media now. Both spiritual, both everything. Both spiritual. Ekan lo nuwa. Because ego wa ya gwa lo. Oji atakpara pa ji. Ewa kin. Wa dole wo yi. Una go see better matter now. When my village matter come that day, because say they don't give una land, they don't give una money, nobody talk truth. Nobody talk truth. If una see people will not give una money, una go to fight them, don't say na better fight una dey fight. Na lie, na lie na dey talk. So my people, God bless all of una. I never come, I don't quarrel now. Muna tell Olakoko may leave this gentleman. This gentleman no know am before. Now the day when he talk for platform, Dada Massive platform. Now I see him. After when I can't do video, I can't call Dada Massive. Give me a number. He give me a number. He give me a number. I not call him since 3 days. I not call because I dey go work. I don't feel the call. The time when I dey come for night, day don't dark. I not call him. But I believe so Saturday I'll bring this man. By grace of God, I never call him. I never tell him now. Me can talk. Me can express his feelings for waiting my Agbogun, the evil waiting for my Agbogun body. The whole bypass now for Sapler Road, all of them they complacing me my Agbogun. It dey cause quarrel for their community. It dey cause fight for their community. Me my Agbogun no come that community again. My Agbogun work not there for Edo State because una no wan work. If una wan work, if you dey do better work, they join your work. You go there for your house, where they'll bring matter for you. And when you go judge the matter, you'll tell the real truth for the matter. Now, because they work not day, they follow corner, they find community where you want to penetrate enter. If you carry, you be roboman. You be roboman. If you go, Gele River, they there. Why we tears and okpa? Gele River, they there. Enikao River, they there. Ovia dey there, Ogbese dey there, Oriomo dey there. You be roboman and fish, now they fish. If you don't get money to buy boat, you sabi bath. If your boat cover side for side river, you bath come out. People will don't know how to bath. Now they open fish pond for house. They open up for house. They train fish. Since you know how to bath, you don't get work by Agbogun. So they pull out for people where to disturb people you're not supposed to disturb. Before you kill fish, before you buy fish, before you go to fish, for 3 months, money go surplus for everywhere. Money go surplus, you don't go to jealousy man like you again. You don't go to jealousy man like you again. No one want work, una they find free money. If you not see best way they do well because you not give una face. You not go closer to una one spoil the name. You don't know where you start to worry those to Saboye. You don't carry go court to Abuja. You don't carry go court to Abuja. They live for Abuja. What will be your business now? You can't matter go me to La Cocona. The whole pass now, they don't know saying you they cause problem for their community. They don't know saying you they cause problem for their community. They say me you come out for their community. You know, say this one a shame. To you with La Coco where they support evil for you, where they support you, where you will be evil. You know, she said this one, she. My country people, I don't ask question. If you ask question, I know they support bad thing. I know they support evil thing. I dey tell you, my Olakoko plus your man with the bring information for you. If proof they wanna see with Osaboye, wanna send that for me. Where they sell land for 2 people. Where they take fight for a community. Where they take bars for a community. Wanna send the proof for me. Wanna let me handle Osaboye the way I supposed to handle one. But as far as I ask question reach, Osaboye in community, person go buy land 300 by 300. As he buy the land, nobody the person enter jail. Now the mother of the boy go cry me to Saboye we waiting be one can do for you, not get charged before no the years where they cut for and not know the time we go take come out, we go come do one. Saboye say no problem. The woman start to do fun from there. At the time when the brother take go see brother for jail, come tell the brother say, see where some more money dey. Go build 4 rooms for that land. May ye park go that land. May ye go they do fun for there before you go come out, you go know what you go do. Now they go meet to Saboye. Oh, Saboye even tell the woman may build the house for the center. May they not follow and make people not if case you not do for chairman tomorrow again, may they not follow and drag the land. He can't even tell his junior brother, say may do may start to fence the land or may go do sea of oath put for the land. Not be so carry the better age. When you would tola Coco one call they destroy name. You would tola Coco one call they destroy name. I don't agree for now. My country people, una good morning. A short video now say I can't drop this morning. Me dey ready, I wan go ready now. Time don dey go now, and I know say don't wait, time wait for nobody. Now the time when I not get document, when they seize my document before now they see me 24 hours for line. Since when I don't get my documents, not be social media I tell the job. But if I see truth, I can't tell the world the truth. Now afternoon work I did this week now. Now tomorrow will be the last day we will still go for this week. Next week we will still start morning. As I talk and say on Saturday, I will call Usabunye. I'll call him. If I don't call him, the video when he first do, I don't see the truth we did for there. The video when he do on Sunday, I don't see the truth we did with Usabunye for there. I'll call the plan for the world. Muna help me tell Lula Koko. If something did happen, may not the year for this madman, a winner. May not the year for this man a lie. No, but the one we wear white too. The one we wear white, make them not take poto rubbish shirts. Malo Agbogun na dey talk, evil man, destroyer. When they arrest her that day, wait before a wife cry come out. Una no hear say Christy is there for bypass, say that they fight for bypass. Now when he come out now this fight, now if it talk for bypass, he can't go jail. He come back again now the fight he can't start again. Since when they arrest him, when he spent almost 1 year a bit, 1 year and 6 months. Una see fight for Obagi community. Una see fight for Amagba. Now this boy they engineer the everybody waiting for that road, they fight themselves. This boy if una no know. If una see say come up for that area, now see where that peace no go dey. You not see face why I say na evil person. Only what you no get why. Ni ado mo video re. Ni amo the video.
Beat the community. They be shooting AK-47 like
Gunwe, wherever you na shoot AK-47 with Malo Agbogun. You dead there, Gunwe. Okay, boy. Usun gwe de na woro wa. Wa amwe woriya. Wa to adole woyi. We still get the type of people for this social media where they spoil community does need the repair. Matter go come, they not go ask. Matter where person brief for them, they not go talk. They talk about boyfriend and girlfriend. The way that they disgrace themselves, they want me to disgrace other people. We still get the people like that. You did that when they shoot AK-47. The way they were shooting AK-47, you did that. You are rich, huh? So my people want to live on for now. Tomorrow morning we'll see again. Now bye bye.